1. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the feature of bulk posting on Facebook groups. So, in the previous video, I introduced the feature of automatically nurturing multiple accounts. Now I'm going to post to groups. We will select the group posting section here. There. Here we can post to personal pages, post reels, etc. We can choose the accounts we want to post from. We can choose multiple accounts at once. The software won't limit you. Here, I'll post from these accounts and select the pre-saved scripts. There. Here we can get content from Facebook, or we can configure unique content for each account, or configure common content. This means we can select multiple accounts and allow them to post the same content, multiple accounts posting the same content. And we can post to groups we've joined, post by keyword, or post by group ID. In this video, I will post by group ID. And we can choose the number of posts here. How many posts per group? There. And how many groups per account? And we can allow it to join groups if not already a member, and automatically interact with accounts. And then we just click Start. And if you are interested in the software or want to try it out for free, please contact me. I will leave my information below. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.